Hello, Namaste, welcome back to the channel again. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can cure your dark circle, puffiness, wrinkle around your eyes. So I'm going to tell you in a very easy way how you can remove them, and the things that I'm going to tell you are easily available in your kitchen, so you don't have to go anywhere. Now what you have to do is just rush to your kitchen and bring all the things that I'm going to tell you for this process. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. For the first one, you will need a potato, and I already have grated this one into this. Now what you have to do is just make it in this shape and put this in your eyes for 15 to 20 minutes. It's up to you, and then wash it. And the second way is take 1 tablespoon of curd, and you can add pinch of turmeric in it and mix it and apply this in your under the eye area and keep this for 10 minutes and wash it. For the third one, you have to take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and pinch of turmeric, mix it and then apply this around the eyes and wash it after 10 minutes. You will see the result. Now the fourth one, it is my own personal favorite. I always use this. So this time you will need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 capsule of vitamin E, which is easily available in medical store. So make a thin paste of this and apply this over the eye for 10 to 15 minutes. You can keep it, and after that you have to wash it. And also make sure that all the mixture that I have suggested, please keep it in cold places or freeze or refrigerator. You can keep it, and also you can use this for 1 week. So these are the homemade remedies for the dark circle, puffy eyes and wrinkles. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, please do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.